This guide covers the 2026 Praxis 5038 ELA exam format, content, and the strategies you need to pass. The 2026 Praxis 5038 is a computer-delivered exam with 130 selected response questions and a 150-minute time limit. Unlike older versions, there are no essays or constructed response items. Everything is machine-scored. This means your results are objective, and you'll see an unofficial score immediately. The format includes standard multiple choice, but also multi-select questions where you must pick 2 or 3 correct answers. With a first-time pass rate near 45%, understanding this structure is the first step to success. The exam is divided into 3 core content categories with specific weightings that must guide your study plan. Category I, Reading, is the largest at 38%, covering literature and informational texts. Category II, Language Use and Vocabulary, makes up 25%, focusing on grammar and vocabulary instruction. Finally, Category III, Writing, Speaking, and Listening, is a massive 37%. Knowing these percentages is critical. It tells you exactly where to allocate your precious study hours for the biggest impact. Many candidates make the critical mistake of focusing too much on literature trivia while neglecting the most challenging section. Category 3, Writing, Speaking, and Listening, accounts for 37% of your score and is heavily focused on pedagogy, how to teach these skills. Questions emphasize evidence-based instruction for diverse learners, rubric design, and scaffolding. The data shows that understudying these pedagogical items is the most common reason for failure, not a lack of content knowledge. While the standard passing score for the Praxis 5038 is a scaled 167, it's not universal. Your state sets its own requirement, and some are significantly lower. For example, Kansas only requires a 162, Missouri a 158, and Arkansas just a 155. This is a game changer, giving you a much wider margin for error. Conversely, some states don't use the 5038 at all. Always confirm your specific state's cut score on the ETS website before you begin studying. Let's review the most common mistakes to avoid. First, ignoring the heavily weighted writing, speaking, and listening category. Second, memorizing literature facts instead of practicing passage analysis, which is what the exam actually tests. Another major error is not practicing the tricky multiple select questions where partial credit doesn't exist. Finally, many candidates fail to use the free official ETS study companion, the single most important resource for understanding the test maker's logic and question style. Top scorers use a specific test day strategy called the 2-pass method. On your first pass, which should take about 90 minutes, answer only the questions you're confident about and flag the rest. Don't get bogged down. On your second pass, use the next 45 minutes to tackle the flagged items. Finally, use the last 15 minutes to guess on any remaining questions. There's no penalty for guessing, so never leave a blank. This manages your time effectively and maximizes your score. You now have the framework to pass the Praxis 5038, but this is just the start. Our free study guide at openexamprep.com covers every content category in depth, with AI-powered practice questions that give you unlimited attempts and detailed explanations for every wrong answer. Don't just study, study smarter. Click the link to access the complete 100% free guide and start your journey to certification today.